5 lessons you can learn from Lord Hanuman. Hanuman Jayanti 2024. As we celebrate Hanuman Jayanti this year, it's not just a religious observance, it's a profound opportunity to delve into the timeless lessons imparted by the mighty Lord Hanuman. Beyond the religious significance, Hanuman's life holds a treasure trove of wisdom, especially in the realms of leadership, friendship, and unshakable devotion. Let's explore what we can glean from his exemplary character. First 1. Leadership through selflessness. Lord Hanuman epitomized selfless leadership. His unwavering dedication to Lord Rama's cause is a testament to his leadership qualities. As leaders in the modern world, we can learn the importance of putting the team's goals above personal interests. Hanuman teaches us to lead by example, prioritizing the greater good over individual glory. Second 1. Friendship and loyalty. Hanuman's bond with Lord Rama is a shining example of true friendship and loyalty. Despite being an embodiment of immense strength and power, Hanuman humbly served Rama with unwavering loyalty. This teaches us the essence of trust, loyalty, and camaraderie in our professional and personal relationships. True leaders nurture bonds built on trust and loyalty, fostering a supportive environment where everyone thrives. Third lesson. Unshakable devotion and determination. Hanuman's devotion to Lord Rama is legendary. His unwavering determination in finding Sita, crossing oceans, and overcoming insurmountable obstacles showcases the power of relentless pursuit fueled by devotion. In our endeavors, whether in business or personal growth, Hanuman inspires us to persevere in the face of challenges with unwavering faith and determination. Fourth lesson. Humility and service. Despite his extraordinary capabilities, Hanuman remained humble and dedicated to service. He never sought recognition or reward for his deeds, embodying the virtue of humility. As leaders, humility enables us to connect with our teams, inspire loyalty, and foster a culture of collaboration and mutual respect. Fifth and last lesson. Courage in adversity. Hanuman's courage in the face of adversity is exemplary. From facing demons to leaping across oceans, he fearlessly confronted challenges with unwavering resolve. His fearlessness teaches us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation, instilling courage and resilience in our leadership journey. As we commemorate Hanuman Jayanti, let's reflect on these timeless lessons from the life of Lord Hanuman. His leadership, friendship, devotion, humility, and courage continue to illuminate our path, guiding us to become better leaders, colleagues, and individuals. May we imbibe these virtues and strive to emulate the spirit of Hanuman in all our endeavors. Jai Hanuman!